It kind of gives them a unique environment to really push their limits, and this is something that you won't find otherwise.
Unlike many classroom assignments, the CrimsonCode Hackathon focuses on developing hands-on projects, something last year's winner, Yuta Aquino, values more now because of his computer science minor.
I'm here to gain experience and with building projects and collaboration with my peers. We want to win too, but I'm more focused on having more experience of building big projects like this.
Students had freedom to create anything, ranging from niche digital tools to simple interactive websites, like the one I built here. As you can see behind me here, this hackathon is giving Utah's group a chance to create a project that they don't get to in class.
There's not that much big projects that we do during class. Class is more focused on implementing what you learn from the lectures and all that stuff. The hackathon creates a more focused environment. You're actually in a unique environment with high competition too. And winning for a prize is a better motivation compared to just getting a point on an assignment.
This event kind of gives people a unique opportunity to collaborate with others to make something that they'd be proud of at the end of the 24 hours.
Participating in these hackathons goes beyond just gaining experience. For Yuta, this hackathon gives him space to create something closer to what he wants to do in his career, an opportunity he hasn't gotten in the beginning data structures classes.
Could focus more on time complexity, the space complexity stuff, more on the technical side than last year when I only took 122. That would help me focus more on gaining experience in the computer science side of my career and stuff.
In just one day, students turned collaboration into a creation, and that's something they are proud of.
Reporting in Pullman, this is Becky Oberlander for Murrow News 8.